Hi guys, my name is Gaming Brexler. Today we're doing a RC car video at night. So yeah guys, we'll get right to the video in a sec. Okay guys, we are going outside in a second. Did you make it? Yeah. Okay guys, I'll be back in a second. I have to do something. If I can click. Hey guys, we're back. We're going. Charged. Look.
Sorry guys for my phone.
Guys, I will be back when my thing gets charged.
Alright, I'm gonna take a video guys, so
Okay guys, we're back. Let me get my case back on. Okay guys, we're going outside. Just put this case down, guys. I'm trying to block it. Almost cut the wire in half. Yes. Sometimes you have to. Okay, you have to click it. Make it focus on the camera. There you go. Okay, guys. We're back. And guys, we're gonna do a night sprint. Watch this. Weird. Look how much this goes. I'm gonna go that fast and look at this. Okay guys, we are going to be until I charge my battery again because this battery's broke. So yeah guys, I'll be back once the battery's done charging. Okay guys, we're back in the morning. Okay guys, we're gonna switch camera views. guys, that's gonna be today's video. Please do like and subscribe. Peace out, guys.